Hello, it's Mackenzie with WTI. Are you looking for something super luxurious to totally upgrade your pillows? These covers are amazing. I absolutely love the faux leather look, and in this rich, like camely, caramelly color brown, I am obsessed. These are totally in top trends right now, and I love the two of these to make our bed look so nice. They're so simple and such great quality that just makes them, in my opinion, first rate. These are easy to keep clean. They set up nice. They don't wrinkle. They get flat and then they puff up right again. You can use them by themselves or with a little accent pillow thrown in front. I think these are wonderful to make any neutral bedroom space. Even in your living room, they would be great, but this particular size, amazing. I love that they are very easy to wipe clean if you need to, and of course, freshen up the pillow inside. Very easy, very beautiful. I absolutely love them. I know you will too. And that's my point of view.